If you have completed your medical graduation and you are looking for a proper place to work, advanced trauma and multi-speciality hospital is a suitable place for you, where besides orthopedics, microsurgery, vascular surgery, general surgery, laparoscopic surgery, arthroscopic surgery, including various type of maxillofacial surgery and cancer surgery are done under one roof. We are a number of doctors working together, and in this uh, hospital where lush green environment is there, in-house facility for the x-ray, investigations, pharmacy, ICU, IVF center, and the gynecology department, radiology department, each and everything is inside. There is ample opportunity for you to learn. If you want to work voluntarily or you want to work with, to enhance your knowledge, this is the best place for your hands-on training. You are most welcome. You can apply on contact@atmcbihar.com. We will look into your concern. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Sanatan Kumar. I'm a craniomaxillofacial surgeon.
I am Dr. Shehzad. I am cardiothoracic anesthetist.